Hi, my name's Nick Houston. I'm the senior lawyer at VisAustralia, and I'd like to make some quick commentary on the significance of the changes that will occur in June 2023. Um, there's a couple of things that are happening. The first is for international students in Australia. On the 1st of July, at the end of June, people will be expected to work no more than 24 hours a week, and full-time in vacations. Currently international students can work full-time, but those hours will be reduced to 24 hours a week, or 48 hours a fortnight at the end of June. The other thing that's happening relates to employer-sponsored visas, and the minimum salary for an employer-sponsored visa has been $54,000 a year as the annual salary. Well, after the 30th of June, that will go up to $70,000 a year. What that means is that employers will have to pay foreign or overseas workers $70,000 a year for the privilege of employing that person in Australia. That may have some significance for low-waged industries or jobs, because though they then will be under the threshold of that $70,000, so that it's good news for workers in that sense that threshold is going up. The final thing that is happening is that the migration year for the skilled visa program runs from July to June every year, and the government has a target of visas that they need to grant to meet the allocation for the program year. That target is now 190,000 permanent visas. Well, at the end of the financial year in June, that target then is reset. So all of the quotas start again from zero. And the same with the state governments, who have more places allocated to them to continue with their work of granting people nomination, which in turn attracts the application for the skilled visa. So there's some confusion out there about what is happening in June, but really it's not that complicated. There's those three things that are happening that affect different groups of people. If you are confused, I invite you to contact us to arrange a time for a detailed assessment. At VisAustralia, we charge $350 for the assessment, but we actually get to the bottom of the issues that you have, and we will help you formulate a detailed visa strategy, and we will then quote on the cost of that strategy. In many cases, there's government fees, accreditation fees, state nomination fees, and of course the agent's fee. But we think that it's important that you understand in a detailed way what you need to do to migrate, and that's why we have this formal assessment process. Okay, my name's Nick Houston. It's all fun and games at VisAustralia. Please contact us if you've got any other questions. See ya.